Namaste students. In today's lecture, we will be doing some more examples for exercise 8.2. First example I have taken. Here they have given us second, third and fourth terms they have given to us. And they are telling us to find x, a and n. Means unknown variables they are asking us. Second term is given. Second term means what? If you write general term. Second term means r is taken as 1. N is not given. N, C. R is 1. A, n minus 1. B, 1. So we have obtained second term as NC1. A, n minus 1 into B. And second term they have given us equal to 240. So it's NC1 and NC1, as you know, NC1 means n factorial upon 1 factorial n minus 1 factorial. So if you open n factorial, it will be n into n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial. So it is n only, and this is 240. So 240 equals to n a n minus 1 into b. Let it be first term. Same way, if you write third term means in place of r we have to take 2. So t3 n c 2 a n minus 2 and b as 2. Now if you open NC2 means n factorial upon 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial, and n factorial will give us n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial upon 2 factorial means 2 into 1 into n minus 2 factorial. Now this n minus 2 will get cancelled and we will be left with n minus 1 upon 2. So, and third term they have given us to be 720. 720 equals to n minus 1 upon 2 a n minus 2 and b square. Let it be second term. Same way, if we write fourth term, we will be getting fourth term. Fourth term means if we write r as 3, fourth term would be NC3 a n minus 3 and b 3. Now n combination with 3, NC3 n factorial upon 3 factorial n minus 3 factorial. So it will be n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 into 2. And in question it is given that fourth term is 1080. So 1080 equals to n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 6 and a n minus 3 b3. It will be third equation. We have solved all the equations. Now if we start dividing the terms, second term divided by first, second equation, from equation 2 and 1, if we divide equation 2 with equation 1, we will be having 720 divided by 240 equals to n minus 1 upon 2 n minus 1 upon 2 A having n minus 1, n minus 2 and b square divided by this term n minus, only n is there, then a n minus 1 b. This will get cancelled, 3 will come, n will get cancelled, we are left with n minus 1, 2, a power n minus 2 and n minus 1, same base and powers will get subtracted, we will be having 1 upon a, and b with cancelled with b, we are getting b. According to question, b is a and a is x. Shifted here, 6 n minus 1. Expression they have given us x plus a. So in place of a b, a will come. In place of x, x will come. That means we are having 6 upon n minus 1 equals to a upon x. Let it be fourth equation. Also, if we divide any of the two, either third equation with second equation or third with first, no problem. We can divide any. From equation second and third, dividing equation 3 by equation 2 will get expression like this. Here cutting with 36, 36 3s are, 36 2s are. Here n goes cut with n minus 1. So we are left with n minus 2. Then a bar n minus 3 and a bar n minus 2. It will be 6 is there, 6. A will be in denominator. Then b3 with b2. B will be left here. And here this 2 is also there. So 2 and 6 got cancelled, 3. So we are having this thing. Shifting 9 upon 2 into n minus 2 upon b upon a. But according to question, b we have to take a and a is to be taken as x. So one more value of a upon x we obtained. Earlier we have considered as fourth. Now this will be fifth. Dividing first and second equation, we have obtained value of a upon x, and dividing third and second, we have obtained value of a upon x. Now if we compare the two equations, we are getting a upon x means we will be having 6 upon n minus 1 equals to 9 upon 2 n minus 2. So comparing the two equations, fourth and fifth, comparing equation 4 and 5, we are having 6 upon n minus 1 is equal to 9 upon 2 n minus 2. Cross multiplying 12 n minus 2 and this side 9 n minus 1. Now if we open the bracket, this will be 12n minus 24, 9n minus 9, shifting like terms to one side, 12n minus 9n, 3n minus 9 plus 24, 15. So n comes out to be 5. In the question they have told us to calculate a, x and n, and we have calculated. Now if we put the value of n equals to 5 in equation number 1 and equation number 4, from equation number 1 we will be getting 240 equals to 5. A we were saying it is equal to x, and n is 5 means 4, and b is a. So 240 divided by 5, 48. Ax 4 will be equation number 6. And if we put n equals to 5 in equation number 4, a upon x is equal to 6 upon 5 minus 1, that is 4. 6 upon 4 means we are getting a upon x as 3 upon 2 and a equals to 3 upon 2x, it will be 7. So putting equation number 7 or elimination method, whatever method you can use, solve equation number 6 and 7. Put equation 7 in equation number 6. 48 is equal to, in place of a, 3 upon 2x will come. This x4 is already there. Shifting this, 48 into 2 upon 3 is equal to x5, 16, 32. 32 means 2 power 5. So x will be 2. Now if you put this x as 2, put x equals to 2 in equation 7, a will be 3 upon 2 into 2, 3. So what we have got, n is 5, x is 2 and a is 3. Our next topic in 8.2 is to find middle term of the expansion. How to find middle term? If number of terms is even, then middle term will be n plus 1. Why? Because when we write terms, if we write for x plus a power 3, number of terms would be 4. So we always get one term more than the power. If 3 is power is 3, number of terms would be 4. So if n is even, middle term, standard term would be n plus 1, or in case of even numbers, middle term would be n plus 1 upon 2th term. Solving it, n plus 2 upon 2, n plus 2 upon 1th term. For example, if they say find middle term for x plus 2y power 8. Here 8 means n is even, and even, then middle term would be n upon 2 plus 1 means 8 upon 2 plus 1th term means 8 upon 2 means 4, 4 plus 1, 5th term. So find out 5th term by the formula of general term, you will be getting the answer of middle term. 5th term means TR plus 1 NCR A n minus R dr. T R will be taking as 4. So 4 plus 1 n. N is 8. 8 C 4. A is x. 8 minus 4 and B as 2y power 4. So if you calculate the value of this term, you will be getting the answer of middle term. So middle term would be 8c4 x power 4. Opening this 2 and y, will be having 2 power 4 and y power 4. Now 8c4 means 8 factorial, 4 factorial, 4 factorial. So 8, 7, 6, 5. 4 factorial will be 4 into 3 into 2. 4 and 2, 8. 3 to the 6. So it will be 70. So 8C4 will be 70. 2 power 4 will be 16. X4, Y4. 1120 X4, Y4. So this is the value of middle term for the expansion x plus 2y because n is even. In case n is odd, in that case we will be having two middle terms. N is odd, middle terms would be first middle term n plus 1 upon 2th term, and second middle term would be n plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. In case we have to find middle term of x minus y power 7. This is the question. Find middle term. This expansion is given and they are asking for middle terms. First of all, see n is 7 means odd. That means two middle terms are there. Two middle terms. First middle term would be n plus 1. 7 plus 1 upon 2. 8 upon 2 means fourth term. And second middle term would be 7 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 means 4 plus 1 fifth term. So if we find out fourth term and fifth term for the given expansion, we will be finding its middle terms. So fourth term means 3 plus 1 n 7 and C R is 3, A is 2x power n minus r, that is 7 minus 3, and B is minus y power r is 3. So 7C3, 2x power 4 means 2 power 4, x power 4 minus y power 3 means whenever this power is odd, minus sign will exist. So answer is in negative and y3. Solve this, you get your answer. And other middle term would be fifth term. Fifth term means r is 4. So 7C4, 2x, 7 minus 4 minus y power 4. So 7C4, 2 power 3, x power 3. Here minus y is having even power, so positive. So fourth term and fifth term, these are the two middle terms for the expansion 2x minus y power 7.